Linio is the largest B2C e-commerce platform in Latin America, of which headquarters is based in Mexico. Like in a Shopee located in Southeast Asian e-commerce site, Linio was invested by German incubator Rocket Internet SE as its way to replicate the proven e-commerce model in Europe and the US, and the emerging markets of Latin America. Linio was acquired by Falabella, the largest retailer in Latin America, for an additional $800 million. Linio set up 8 sites in Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Panama, and Peru. The platform has more than 6 million social followers and 13.9 million mobile app downloads, as well as the most innovative app of 2018. Our sellers are spread over 4 countries, with a huge market of more than 270 million people. As customer service staff are unable to work during the pandemic, we need more people to participate in our expansion efforts and provide a platform for people around the world who are unable to work due to the pandemic. Linio is a universal platform, served all over the world, and a huge number of people are involved in it. Linio provides sales for all online shopping platforms in the world and helps buyers from all over the world to make purchases and complete orders, which can greatly help many shopping platforms increase their popularity, purchasing power, and sales, and help these sellers complete their buying and selling orders in a fast time. Our profit consists in receiving a fixed percentage of profit from the amount of these orders. Linio is legal and safe, as it has passed a multi-party certification and can invest in business and conduct absolutely legal activities in the legal field. Linio provides 24-hour customer support through the support service of the website, and our support representatives will regularly answer any difficulties for you. The website uses a dedicated server, which allows us to use the host server resources exclusively. The most experienced, professional, and reliable provider of DDoS mitigation and protection is used to ensure the stability of the website and the safety of users. The work of the Linio users is very simple, which is to help us complete the transaction orders, increase the sales volume and click volume of the commodities in the Linio, and make it an e-commerce platform going global. The commission of each order is immediately checked out to the account if users wipe shopping sales in the Linio. Create an account, join the investment plan, earn returns, and easily start your road to wealth. Members can become VIP members of the platform after registering their accounts on the platform and recharging successfully. VIP 1, a cumulative recharge of $20, daily revenue of $1.5. VIP 2, a cumulative recharge of $100, daily revenue of $10. VIP 3, a cumulative recharge of $500, daily revenue of $60. VIP 4, a cumulative recharge of $2,000, daily revenue of $250. VIP 5, accumulated recharge of $5,000, daily revenue of $670. VIP 6, a cumulative recharge of $20,000, daily revenue of $3,000. VIP 7, a cumulative recharge of $50,000, daily revenue of $6,000. VIP 8, a cumulative recharge of $100,000, daily revenue of $13,000. With the upgrading of user level, 3 to 10% of the investment principal can be earned in 10 minutes per day. This profit ratio will increase with the upgrading of your VIP level, and the orders you can operate every day will also increase with the upgrading of your VIP level. When members become regional agents and develop their own team, they will receive 16% of the downline Level 1 revenue, 8% of the downline Level 2 income, 4% of the downline Level 3 income. Invite your own friends to join. After friends charge $100 and earn $10 a day, you can get $1.6. If you invite 100 friends to join, charge $100 each, and earn $10 per person, then you can get 100 by 1.6 equals $160 per day. The project does not require a large personal investment. $100 is enough. Linio system supports a variety of withdrawal methods. and all our withdrawals will be processed immediately upon your request, without any maximum limits. Lineo gives you the opportunity to participate in its unique investment system, thus opening a new perspective. The primary task of our professional team is to diversify your investment and provide you with excellent service and rich returns. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Company cooperation policy. As long as the regional agency requirements are met, the company will invest with you to establish a company in your local area. Become a subsidiary of Lineo. If interested, please contact the official.